Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We are very happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, we will do our very best to give and share with you the most relevant information and signals to properly interpret the market using the chart or technical analysis. Now, let's get started with the PSE index. The market opens at 6,309 and closed at 6,281, giving us a red candle on a Monday. Come Tuesday, the market went on a gap down, opening at 6,267 and closed at 6,145. That gave us a huge bearish candle. Then on Wednesday, the market slightly rebounded by opening at 6,197 and closed at 6,273. That gave us a green bullish candle. While on Thursday, the market opened a bit higher at 6,279 but went on another sell-off closing at 6,190. That gave us a red bearish candle. And finally, on a Friday, the market opens lower at 6,186 and closes at 6,155, giving us another red bearish candle. Overall, the market continued to be bearish and went even lower, breaking the current support area at 6,250 and reaching the next possible support level at 6,150. This movement are confirmed by the moving averages projecting downward, plus the MACD still unable to go out of the zero level or the negative zone. Now let us proceed to our individual stock, where the first on our list is Ayala Land. Without any significant news report this week, but still affected by its financial statement report for the first half to be 8% higher year-on-year, Ayala Land stock continued to move higher and able to break past its previous resistance level at 26.45 to 27.3. Immediately after observing the confluence of moving averages, MACD projecting higher into the positive zone and crossover of 50 MA to 200 MA or the golden cross, it only shows that this stock has already confirmed its upward trend for more than 2 months now. Now let's move forward to our banking sector, where we have BDO. With the continuous change in shareholdings of directors and principal officers for a month now, BDO stock unable to hold its ground above the support level at 137.9 and even went lower, reaching at 131.2 level with a slight rebound at 135.2 support area. With the stock continue to show decline, investor stays in a wait-and-see mode, especially while the MACD is at below zero level or the negative zone. Now let us proceed to the next stock, where we have Converge. With the share buyback program made by the company this week, the stock appears to be navigating above the perceived support area at 14 level after the price fell by as much as 20%. The moving averages are currently serving as a resistance, pushing the price down, with the confluence of MACD is staying at the negative zone. Now moving forward to the next stock, where we have Jollibee. Though still no significant news report this week, the company still shows effect from the past weeks of its financial results growth acceleration for 2025 first half. Jollibee stock continue its bounce from 210 level, with majority of movement for the week shows optimism. The upward movement successfully breaking past the 230 resistance level and currently challenging the 200 MA. With the sentiment turn optimism, we expect the price to establish its new support area at 230 level before it continue to go higher and confirm its shift of trend. Now jumping back to our banking sector, where we have Metrobank. Without any latest news report other than its declaration of cash dividend last week, which is equivalent to 2%, the stock continuously trying to confirm its pause at 70 level to make it as its new support area. We have to wait for the consolidation phase of this stock to complete before we could expect a shift of trend or sentiment. Now let us proceed to JGS. Without any significant news report this week and due to continuous upward movement that reached almost 40% from 17.5 level, JG Summit Holdings is currently experiencing a sideways movement while it is trying to establish its new support area. Should the stock able to hold its ground above 22.75 support area, we might see some sideways movement while MACD shift its trajectory to negative side. Now going back to our property sector where we have SFPH. With the recent clarification of news report on its postponement of its REIT plan even beyond 2026 due to unfavorable market conditions, the stock appears to continue to move sideways due to the absence of any positive catalyst or news report this week. While moving averages serves as its current resistance, with the MACD navigating its position towards the negative zone. Moving to our next stock where we have MegaWorld. Without any news report for the past 2 weeks, plus the ex-date on August 26, 2025, the stock as expected factored in its cash dividend and went lower up to 2.02 level. After going down on the ex-date, the stock still managed to hold its ground at 2.03 support area, while MACD has shifted its trajectory to downward direction but still above the zero level. Now moving forward to our last but not the least, to focus on stock, we are featuring Ayala Corporation. Without any follow-through news report for the past 2 weeks after the release of the company's record core income with an amount of 24 billion pesos for the first half of 2025, Ayala Corporation experienced a continuous sell-off for almost 2 weeks now. Though profit-taking continued up to now, chances are investors might see opportunity to enter as it closed at the previous support area at 545 level. Should sentiment shift next week, we could expect the stock to try to establish its new support area and start to move sideways before it confirms its bounce, which might occur after MACD shift its trajectory into positive form. With the movement of our focus on stock, we will continue to monitor and analyze Ayala Corporation's movement to determine the correct timing of a possible entry or position in either a short to medium term. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with the domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. You can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it's offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleagues, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next video. Ciao!